my toilet's running. And if yours is too, you better catch it. In all seriousness, if you have a Mansfield toilet and your toilet's running, you probably need one of these. I replaced this right here, but it's still running. The problem is that gasket down there is all cracked. And so I'm going to go ahead and replace that gasket and see if that fixes the problem. Just going to unscrew this right here so I can pull this off. And I need to take this out of here. Loosen this up here. Helps if you turn it the right way. There we go. All right, now I can take this off of here. You can see how wrinkly that is and how cracked up that is. I'm just going to go ahead and put the new one in. Make sure they're the same size there. This one's pretty bad off. All right, we'll put this in here. There's some little ridges down here. So you want to make sure this fits down into those ridges. Like it can't be up too high and it can't be down too low. It needs to fit right inside of that ring. I feel it now. See how it can slide around like that? I think that's where it needs to be. See how it's sliding? And it worked. All right, so that was it. You just want this inside the groove right there to where it can slide around. Where you can slide it around inside that groove. We'll give it a good test there. You turn the water off, it won't be quite so messy, but you kind of want the water on so you can test it. But if you know what you're doing, you can just turn the water off, put it in there, make sure it slides around in the groove, and then you can turn your water back on. All right, there you go. There's the Mansfield flush valve seal, part number 6300030. A pretty inexpensive way to repair that compared to buying this thing, which I didn't need to do, or buying this thing, which I didn't need to do. It's just a matter of getting that gasket in there in the right place.